Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, at night, I completing my homework. I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have supper together. After that, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. Next, I go to my bed and it's all. Actually, at night, I completing my homework. I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, I next we all of our family members supper together. After that, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. Next, I go to my bed and that's all.
Actually, at night, completing my homework, I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have supper together. Next, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. Next, I go to my bed and so on.